you guys, happy Sunday. I don't know what's wrong. I'm recording this part for the third time. First time it went in a slow-mo. The second time I forgot to press record. And this is the third time we are doing it. Hi guys. Today is Sunday, 24th of March. Okay, so I was just telling you guys, this is the third time literally I'm telling you all. So I'm so sorry. This vlog wasn't a chatty vlog. I've been all over the place of late, and then this week it was like just events. Like first we on Wednesday was Bath and Body Works. They came up with their new Raya collection of fragrance, and then Thursday was Wanderlust warehouse sale, and then Friday was the Ordinary event with they are coming up with the new retinol, so I'm super excited for that. And yeah, yesterday we had a couple of errands to run, so we finished that. Even yesterday, I just noticed today I was talking to y'all in a clip telling what I was about to do yesterday, and the video is all in slow-mo. There's no voice or no volume to that video, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So yeah, this is going to be a very quiet vlog. I'm just talking to you in this part right now. I don't know why. Okay, so we have lipsticks over here from ABH Cosmetics. Like you can see, this is the shade range. The shade ranges are like all nudes. It's very pretty. So these are the new liquid lip matte, liquid velvet matte lipsticks. They're very pretty. So I just need to do a video for this, and then need to just get ready, head out. So I have another event today. It's like a pop-up event. So this event is a good initiative actually. So it's like supporting type 1 diabetes for kids. It's a great initiative, so that's why I'm going there. And then we have a couple of errands to run, groceries to do for the week, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll be taking you guys along, so come along. I'm so sorry this vlog hasn't been chatty one, and I just realized that the entire vlog, the volume was off. So sorry guys. Yeah, but I'll check next time properly. Okay, now let's finish this first. how are you all? Okay, so I have not been able to vlog like from past 2-3 days. So today is Wednesday actually. So I got my chums and the cramps are like crazy this time. So I'm just been sleeping, lying down almost all the time. So yeah, from Monday morning I'm down actually. So I just pushed myself to go just get up from bed. Like what I'm doing basically nowadays is I'm just having my shower in the morning and again going to sleep, having something again going to sleep. Just been doing that, using my heating pad. The train. Okay, using my heating pads, all that. So yeah, I just pushed myself. Now it is like going to be 6 p.m. It's Wednesday. I have a couple of stuff to unbox. So yeah, we'll do some unboxing. At least we'll do something productive rather than just sleeping. I know I'm still feeling very crampy. Like you can see it on my face. Like I look very tired right now, I know. But yeah, let's go ahead and do that. There are some stuff coming. There are some PR packages I want to unbox, so let's do it together. Hi guys, so yeah, I just did unboxing for Instagram stories and now let me show you guys. So this is the first package. This is the First Aid Beauty. So this is for the sensitive skin. Let me show you. They have like sent 2 products. So we basically have these 2 in the box. That is this moisturizer, and then we have another one is this cleanser. So yeah, let me try these and give you guys my review, like how I like these or how it works on my face. So next up we have, okay, I just put 2 stuff in this one. The Sol de Janeiro new fragrance is come to Malaysia, so they just sent me this. So this is the body butter, and you guys, it came in this cute little bag. It is so cute. Okay, so this is the body butter. Now I'm so eager to go try out their mist and their shower gel. Just look at this. It smells so good. Love the fragrance. So this is this violet finish body butter locks a long-lasting moisture by repairing skin's protective barrier and supporting the microbes. So basically you just massage it on the skin and it smells so good. I just opened it, smelled it. It's really nice. Okay, so next up we have are these lip balms from Ultraviolet, and I'm loving the names. It's like Last Bite, Blowout, Bejeweled, and then Choco Top. What else? Silk Pillow and Smoothie. These are so cute. Let me just open one and show. I'll just open this silk pillow for you guys. I love the packaging. Moreover, it's pink. Just look at that. That is so cute. Oh, this feels nice. Like you see, it is very smooth. It has a bit shimmery texture, but moreover it's just glossy. And these glosses, like these lip balms, are with SPF, so even better. So yeah, can't wait to try these on. Next up we have Huda Beauty. So Huda Beauty recently came up with their eyeshadow palettes, the cream palettes. So we have those over here. I am so obsessed with Huda Beauty products. I love their products. Just look at this. Huda herself. So gorgeous. So these are like the two tones they came up with. They came up with the grays and the browns. And look at these. They are so cute. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, so this is the brown one. Like you can see, these are the shades. We'll do a makeup tutorial, like we'll create a look using these very soon once I feel better. Maybe next week, let's do this. And then we have another one is the gray one. I love both the palettes. The colors are so pretty and can create so many looks out of it. Just look at these. Love the colors. I'm so scared to swatch them because these are all cream colors. They are not powders, you guys. They are cream. They look so pretty. Love these. Thank you, WT. And then we have a last one is a clothing item. As I mentioned to you guys, I had an event, like a pop-up event on Sunday. So this event was actually a very great initiative. So the brand, the owner of the brand herself had diabetes from the age of 8. So she was very fortunate to receive all medications, get her insulins on time. But there are many out there who cannot get their insulins, cannot get the medication what is required. So she came up with this brand. So the profit, whatever is earned from the brand, goes to pediatric care for infants and babies who have type 1 diabetes. That is really good. So this is the thing. I picked their sweatshirt from there. So this is how it is. It's very cute. It's a pinky orange kind of a shade. It's a very cute shade and it says a ripple of smile. Just look at that. We'll wear this pretty soon, okay? Maybe next week. Yeah, that is pretty much it for the haul. Now, what do I need to do? My cramps are getting bad. I'll just take some rest, have a cup of hot tea, and maybe watch some TV or just lie down on bed and watch Netflix. Yeah, that is all about today. Tomorrow is public holiday. I'm not sure what we are doing. If I feel better, I might go out or I might just stay at home. Yeah. So I'm ready. Finally, I'm feeling much better today. I am a bit crampy. I do have a bit of cramps, but much better. So yeah, it's public holiday. So it's a nice sunny afternoon. So I'm just heading out. I'll take you guys along. There's a sale going on. I just wanted to go check out some stuff. So yeah, come along. Spend a nice evening with me. Much inside because it's pretty crowded and most of everything is sold off. Like I mainly came for Petit Cherry, but they don't have Petit Cherry, it's sold off. They don't have Kilian, they don't have many other brands. Most of everything is like sold off, and that is today. It's just day 1 and it started like around 10 or 11 in the morning, and by 4 they are like almost sold off. I don't know now for tomorrow and day after what is going to happen. So yeah, we're just going to a next location, so let's see what we do next.
banana, yellow, yellow banana, very, very sweet banana, 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 yellow, yellow banana, very, very sweet banana. Mussumi, mussumi, green, green mussumi, very, very sweet mussumi, 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 green, green mussumi, very, very sweet mussumi.
It is not Mosami, it is Mosambi.
Musambi, Musambi, green, green Musambi, very, very sweet Musambi, 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 green, green Musambi, very, very sweet Musambi, sapota, sapota, brown, brown sapota, very, very sweet sapota, 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 brown, brown sapota, very, very sweet sapota, grapes, grapes.
Hi guys, so right now it's like around 10:30 p.m. and today it's Friday, so best Good Friday to all of y'all. So and then Sunday it's Easter, so tomorrow it's weekend again. We'll be just heading out. Today was a very chill, quiet day at home. I just washed my hair actually, so I just need to blow dry my hair. And I know this vlog hasn't been very chatty, it's been all over the place because like I was showing you all events in the first half of the vlog. Second half of the vlog it's like just we going out, hanging out, doing some stuff, running errands and things. So tomorrow again I need to go out, run some errands, arrange for some stuff. So yeah, let's see. I'm just thinking of a Easter egg hunt for Kian. I'm not sure, I'm just planning on it because he is curious about it. So let me see if that works. If that happens, yeah, we'll do it together. So right now, yeah, actually I'm sitting on the floor and my shoes are all behind me because I just need to, you know, blow dry my hair. So yeah, just sitting down. I am actually a bit crampy right even now, even today. I don't know why. Yeah, after I got COVID, I guess my periods are acting weird, way weird actually. So yeah, it's just going on. So now I'll just go do my hair, maybe watch something on YouTube or some Netflix show, and then just go to sleep. Morning I need to just get up early because I need to shoot a couple of videos. Also the new Rare Beauty blushes in Sephora, so I just grabbed it yesterday. And yeah, I want to do a video on that as well. Want to do unboxing and a swatch video, so we'll be doing that tomorrow like morning time. And I also need to shoot a couple of videos for another brands. So after that is done, we'll just go out, maybe just first go have breakfast and then do our work. So let's see how it goes by. So I'll be taking you guys along as usual. You guys are coming with me, spending weekend with me, okay? So yeah, because today I did not vlog anything much, so I just wanted to like talk to you guys. Also we have a Shein haul, but I guess I'll just keep my Shein haul for the next vlog, or else this vlog is just going to be, you know, all cluttered up and there won't be anything like, you know, in a proper order or something. So yeah, it's better I do Shein haul in the next vlog. So yeah, why am I all over the place? All you guys will see in my coming vlogs. So for now, yeah, that's it. Let me just do my hair and I'll see you guys in the morning.